Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Daniel Tiger's dad is going to treat him and baby Margaret to a trip to McDonald's. Here comes Ronald McDonald. Hi guys, welcome to McDonald's. Come on in. The door's open. Daniel Tiger goes in first. After you have your meal, you can play in the play area outside. Let's go to the ordering counter. That hamburger looks good. It has pickles and 2 slices of cheese. And if you finish all of your lunch, you can choose dessert, cookie, ice cream, chocolate sundae, or a warm apple pie. Daniel Tiger and his sister decide to get a Happy Meal with apples and orange juice. And Dad got some French fries for them to share, a hamburger for himself, and an orange juice. Let's eat outside. As they walk outside, they notice the drive-thru. There's somebody going through now in a blue car. May I take your order, please? They're outside eating. Dad Tiger says you must eat all of your lunch before you play on the playground. There's the hamburger. He's spinning round and round on the yellow spinner. Baby Margaret wants to see what toy she got in the Happy Meal. Oh, it's a beautiful beaded necklace with a pink pendant. She loves necklaces. But she's not going to wear it while she plays because she doesn't want it to get caught on anything and get broken. They join the hamburger on the spinner. Hold on. Whee! Let's go on the little red car. It goes down the green track. Oops! It went off the track. Let's try that again, baby Margaret. Whee! Ronald McDonald is having fun on the Shake Shaker. It goes back and forth. And he's going to show Daniel Tiger and his sister the gobbling cheeseburger slide. Woo! Uh-oh. Ronald McDonald got caught. He's supposed to go through the hole and go down the slide. Let's try it again, Ronald. Perfect, he made it this time. That was fun. Well, it's time to go, kids. That was a fun day with Dad. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're here with Daniel Tiger and his family. They're looking for a new house.
All right, everyone, in the car.
I'm gonna need help putting my seatbelt on. Of course, sweetie, no problem.
I'm in.
All right, you're in, Margaret. All right, honey, get in. All right, let's go. Hey, guys.
Hi.
Bluey's mom is the Tiger's family's real estate agent. I can't wait to show you guys your perfect house. Yay! Let's go take a look. So this is the front entrance of the house. You have a cobblestone entryway and a nice little blue porch. And then over here, there's a little house for a dog, in case you guys are ever thinking of getting one.
Mom, Dad, I've always wanted a dog.
We know, Daniel. Maybe we'll consider it. Do you want to test the doorbell, Margaret? Yeah! That's a nice doorbell sound. All right, let's head on inside. So when you first walk in, there's a nice flower mat. And then you have a kitchen right there.
It's a bit of a small kitchen.
Yeah, it is a bit small. I think it's just perfect. And this living room is very nice. Do you like it, Margaret? Yeah, I do.
Let me test out the phone. This is a nice play area for the kids.
This is the backyard. You have a nice little yellow porch. I love it. And some green grass, too.
Mom! Dad! Margaret! Look over there!
It's a pool! I just knew you guys would love that. We do. How about we go take a look upstairs?
All right.
So up here would be your bedroom. You've got Margaret's bed right there. And then where you guys are standing could be Daniel's bed. And then right where I am is where your guys' bed could go. Oh, it's small but nice. Can I test out the bed? You sure can. Perfect size. It's really comfortable. And as you can see, I'll just open the window here. Make the sound, and you have light on this side now. Wow, it's a lovely view. And then over here's the bathroom. Wow, it's nice that it's right next to our bedroom.
It's a nice toilet. I approve.
Good, I'm glad.
It's also a nice sink. Wow, it's a really nice deck.
It is too. Where's Margaret? Aw, the little angel fell asleep. There's even a patio on the roof.
We've decided we're getting the house.
That's wonderful. I'm so glad.
Yay!
And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures.
Please subscribe to our videos.
Bye!
Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are outside with Daniel Tiger and Poppy. Hi, Poppy. And the Chomp and Count dino. I think the dinosaur is hungry. Daniel Tiger, where will we find some food for the dinosaur? In the garden? All right, let's go. Let's pick some food. How about some yummy yellow bananas?
I'm a hungry. Yellow bananas.
A juicy red apple.
Red apple.
Blueberries.
Blueberries. Blueberries are sweet.
Some white mushrooms.
White mushroom.
Some green peas.
Green peas. These help to build this healthy, strong dino.
Purple grapes.
Purple grapes. Grapes are sweet. They're yummy to eat.
Orange carrots.
Potatoes help to build this healthy, strong dino.
That wasn't potato, Dino. These are the potatoes.
I'm a hungry dinosaur, time to eat. Please feed me healthy treats.
Lots of healthy fruits and vegetables make us strong. I think the dinosaur is full. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Daniel Tiger and his family are shopping on Main Street and they have so many things to do and see. Let's get started. All right guys, let's go to the post office first so Daniel can mail his letter to his cousin. I see the post office. It has the green door. All right, Daniel, we don't have to go inside. You can just slip it in the mail slot. All right, where do we go next? Well, Daniel, we're going to go to the market and get some fresh fruits and vegetables from the local farms. I have to get some cash out of the bank, so let's go to the bank machine. I see the market sign. Mom, Dad, can we get some blueberries? Oh, sure, as long as they have them, Daniel. Might be too early in the season. Oh boy, you got cucumbers, watermelon. Oh, and they did have blueberries. Yay! Oh, I hear the fire alarm. Let's stay here and out of the way. It looks like the fire truck is going to go attend a call. Well, we got lots done today. How about we end it with some ice cream? Yay! Thanks, Mom and Dad. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.